Many Jamaicans are struggling with mental problem. And this is a serious thing because me not really hear nobody talk about this, you know. And this need to talk about because it a plague with society. Now, Jamaican people, we need to start to pay attention to certain things, you know. We are going among us. There are many Jamaicans that are struggling with mental problem and them cry out every day, but being ridiculed and their matters become worse. Many of these mental problems stem from youth days. There are many Jamaicans who went through abusement when they were children, different type of abusement, sexual abusement, physical abusement, verbal abusement. And a lot of these children grow up with these problems in them head and become adult and cannot get over it. And when them try to communicate and reach out and even try to tell them story, they were ridiculed by our same Jamaican people them who cast even judgment upon some of them when them telling them story and shoot them up in a one corner. Them think they're a right rasta. Are we talking about these things? Is anyone else in a Jamaica see this that I am talking about now that is happening among us in our society? These issues must be dealt with because many Jamaicans are suffering mentally. Many Jamaicans are carrying things from their youth days in them head and it a pressure them. They want to come out and speak. They need help, but they are afraid because sometimes when them come out and speak, a judgment on the look upon them and run them away. I want the eye them to look into what I just said, you know. And these matters must be dealt with. Many people in Jamaica need help. And when I said help, I mean professional help. This is a serious matter. Government people in Jamaica, Ministry of Health, and all the people them in Jamaica that are in control. If this video should reach any one of your ears, I want you to consider and look into this thing that I am saying. Look around you, Jamaican people. Look what is happening around you. A lot of people you see walk up and down in a clean clothes and then right up your saw. Remember, you know, when I go in the town and the city them, you know, the amount of mad people where you see I eat out of garbage and them something in the rasta. Saying from St. Thomas to Negril Pint, you know. Me not hear nobody talk about this, you know. You have us. And these things are serious things. So much people in Jamaica are suffering mentally. We need to take this into consideration and do something about it. These people need help. Right, sir. Me! Shocking Maurice said that.